All right, we back. Just gonna do a quick video here on the Quant system. Just wanted to say that I think it's open to experimentation. Last couple days have been extremely boring. If you've been trying to test the Quant system out or try to trade it, I've had a very few profitable trading opportunities, obviously, which I jump on, but um, not many, not many plays to be had unless you're a little bit, antsy to trade like I am. I kind of get bored when it's just, one Rinko bar at a time. As you can see here, we had a day right before Christmas where it was literally just one Rinko bar for the entire day. So today was a little bit better, obviously, but the problem that I've run into, at least when this during this melt up, is that we have this on one day right now. Now, obviously, you know, this is not financial trading advice. Consult with Greg on how to actually change this system around. I'm just exploring other ways of utilizing it because I like the idea behind the ticks, the Rinko bars, and then measuring using your indicators to measure data from those sources instead of just from a typical, bid ask time candlestick type of source. So smoothing out the price action, allowing you to be more mechanical with your trading. Anyways, so the idea that I had was to actually extend it out. We've had it on one day. My idea was to drop it to 3 day. The reasoning behind that is getting the standard deviation channel going in the right direction. If you were trading this on Tuesday, you would have seen the standard deviation channel was actually pointing down, but if you drop it out to 3 days, then you see that it was pointing up. Now, typically, when you're trading the system, you want to trade in the direction of the channel. You want to be looking for opportunities to go long if the channel's up, um, and vice versa. So I brought it out to 3 days. Then I saw that there could be potential to swing trade this system, at least during this melt up period of time. Since there's not a lot of intraday opportunities, swing trading starts to become a little bit more viable, or sell and put spreads or whatever you want to do. But so if you can see it here, you can see that there is quite an opportunity here on SPY to swing trade. You could have just bought here and got out here. You could have bought here and just held. You'd still be in right now if you were just watching this channel here. You can see it just basically stays right smack in the middle of this channel on the 3 day. Coming over here, I was experimenting a little bit with Amazon. You can see with Amazon, we've got basically here's the opening today, and I've actually got this set at 3 day 500 ticks, which is every $5 move. It posts a Rinko bar. You could see that basically you could have got in and you would have never gotten out. So even though there's a few pullbacks, none of the pullbacks were more than $5. So every time it just moved up five, it just posted another bar. All the data, all the indicators are based off of, that as its source. So it's running the Fisher transform, high plus low divided by 2 for the last two periods based on every $5 tick. So uh, every $5 bar. So, you could have been in this move, you could still be in this move, and you can utilize this kind of flexible utilizing it this way because this is more of a swing trader type of visual here. You can even go intraday with it, drop it to 200 ticks, and now you've got a little bit of intraday action. And you could set this up on two different windows. Wherever I was watching the SPY movement, obviously I knew that I could see the market was moving up. So any opportunity on a pullback with Amazon was an opportunity to get long. You could see the channel obviously pointing up, and then here's where I was working all day, but kind of watching it, and obviously I missed this entire move here, but on this third pullback here, I got in here at the bottom and currently long here, but you can see it just, again, it just staying right here in the middle of the channel, just melt up conditions here. So don't be afraid to experiment. Obviously don't, if you're going to do this, paper trade first or use very small amounts. I'm currently testing this quant system with, no more than $150 per trade here, and my loss limit is very, very tight. I'm not really giving things a lot of room to run if they are going to run, just because I'm still in the testing phase. I've done about 7 or 8 trades utilizing this system. I will do a review as soon as I've got about 20 trades under my belt, give you guys more of an idea of what kind of the science behind this system and maybe some of the best variables to use, best entry techniques, best kind of things to do. But so right now it's still testing phase. Anyways, it's just some ideas to think about. If you guys come across anything else using this system, if you see a ticker that it works really well with, post it in the comments below. Post any questions you might have. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.